receive Pastor Nathaniel Bassey. And when the day of Pentecost was fully come, they were all with one accord in one place. And suddenly there came a sound from heaven, as of a rushing mighty wind, and it filled all the house where they were sitting. Can you lift your hands? That was a signal. Ruach Elohim, Ruach Elohim, Ruach Elohim, Ruach Elohim, Ruach Elohim, Ruach Elohim, fill this place. Ruach Elohim. That's right. Ruach Elohim. Ruach Elohim. Feel this place. Ruach Elohim, by God. Ooh. Ruach Elohim, oh. Ruach Elohim, fill this place. Every vessel, oh, Ruach Elohim, Ruach is here. Ruach Elohim, welcome here. Welcome here. There is a wind in this place. It's the wind of the Spirit.
Ruach Elohim. Ruach Elohim.
Ruach Elohim. Ruach Elohim. Oh, Ruach Elohim. Ruach Elohim.
Spirit of the sovereign, come and make your presence known. Reveal the glory of Spirit of the sovereign, come and make your presence known. Reveal the glory of the living Spirit of the sovereign, come and make your presence known. Reveal the glory of Spirit of the sovereign Lord, come.
There's a heavy weight of God's glory in this room.
Let the weight of your glory cover us. Let the life of your river flow. Let the truth of your kingdom reign in us. Let the weight of your glory, let the weight.
Just be quiet. This is what I'm led to do. He's brooding. He's moving in this place. hallelujah to the Lord. Oh, sing hallelujah to the Lord. Oh, sing hallelujah to this God. Oh, sing hallelujah to the Lord. Oh, sing hallelujah. Sing hallelujah. Yashagebeas. By God, hallelujah. By God, by God. Oh, sing hallelujah. Sing hallelujah. Hey, sing hallelujah. Oh, sing by God. One more time. Hey, sing hallelujah. Sing blessed art thou, Son of David. Blessed art thou, root of Jesse. Blessed art thou, Son of David. Blessed art thou, root of Jesse. You are eminently glorious, immaculately beautiful. I can go on and on and on, but my words are not enough. My vocabularies will fail me. But permit me to cry out, Ibao, Ibao. It means reverence. Iba, Ibao, Ibao, Iba, Ibao. It means we bow. It means we reverence you. Hey! Blessed art thou, Rock of Ages. Blessed art thou, King of Heaven. Blessed art thou, Rock of Ages, Yeshua. Hey, blessed art thou, King of Angels. infinitely powerful, magnificently wonderful. We can go on and on and on, but my words are not enough. My vocabularies would fail, but permit me to cry. Iba, 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 Iba. Woo! It's so beautiful here. It's hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Can you lift your hands to heaven? Everyone. There is a mighty supply of the Spirit. This is different. We've been to sounds of revival around the world, but this feels different. This feels different. This feels different. This is a Kairos moment. This is a Kairos moment. This is an opportune time. This is the days you were waiting for. This is a Kairos moment. I sense it in my spirit. His glory is here. His glory is here. His glory is hitting the room. His glory, Shaka.